Hello traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, I'm going to take a live trade on gold 5 minute and I'm going to take a buy position here, and you can see it is started with $35 minus. Okay, now we will discuss that why I have taken the buy position. First of all, look at the last signal. We have the a buy signal on the gold 5 minute chart. Okay, and the second thing that I want to highlight here, that if you look at the complete trend, if we make the trend line from here to here, it's completely a upward trend. Even if we are going to make the trend line from here to here, then you can see basically the market is going into the bullish side. Okay, now let's discuss about this scenario that we have seen that the market is basically bullish, so it's basically going into the upward direction. Now if you ask me, by looking at the trend, it's bullish. So when the sell signals are coming from the indicator, I am not trading. Okay, now look at here. These are the sell signals here, and these are the sell signals here, not to trade. And then we have the sell signal here, not to trade, and we have the sell signal as well here, and that was also not to trade. Okay, so if we remove these signals from our chart, so if we consider that we do not have any kind of sell signals, then we can come at that point that if we look at the buy positions, look, the buy signals, they are more longer than the sell signals. Look at this, the buy signals are more much in higher numbers than the sell signals, because basically we have seen that the trend is going into the upward direction. That's why you can see that our trade was just near to zero on that time, and right now it's 12:10, something like this. And this is the reason that this is called trading with the trend, even when you are doing a scalping purpose. Okay, now you can see that it's $16, $13 minus, so no worries about this. So basically when you have taken the right trade, then definitely you need to make a good decision. Now I'm going to take you towards the 1 hour chart. However, on the 1 hour there will be very much noise, but you can expect that this signal can go longer. Okay, now look at here that we have 3 to 4 trending drops as well here, and here we have placed our buy trade. So this trade has many chances to go into the upward direction. Instead of going down, the market can go and flow into the upward direction, because if we connect our 5 minute chart, then we have the buy signal, and you can see that 200 forex pips gold M5 buy, and you can also send these alerts to your mobile phone as well. Okay, so the next candle has started. You need to wait, because you have taken a trade based on the 5 minutes, so it can take a little bit more time to go into your direction. Now you just need to see. Okay, now look again, the same thing. If you look at this area, the sell signal was for the shorter time. Okay, so this indicator does not repaint. Okay, now you can see that our trade was coming positive as well. It's -6 at the moment, so it will go shortly into the upward direction, and we will be into the profits. So the higher the time frame you are consulting, the more profitable you can be. Okay, so on the higher we had a sell position, and on the higher time frame, like on the 4 hour, if I zoom out my chart, then you can see that it's still a bullish trend as well, because if you make the trend line from here to here, it's somehow bullish. Okay, and if we go to the daily, and daily is just like a slightly downward pattern is in formation. However, coming back to the 1 minute again, and let's see, because we have taken the trade based on the 5 minute chart, and once we get our profit, then we will be out from the market. Okay, so so guys, always look at the price action as well, because the price action is basically moving into the upward direction. So there is no need to panic. If you have taken a right decision, then definitely you should be in your way, and you should keep your decision to your mind. Now you can see we are coming 18-20 dollar positive. Again it's reverse, so don't worry, this is the normal flow of the market, and sooner it will be bullish. And you can see the buy signal we already have, and that's with the trend, because the trend is up, and on the 5 minute we have a buy signal as well. So this is the method by which you can do the easy type of scalping. There is no need to panic. All you need to just relax and sit on your chairs, and you just need to watch your profits. Okay, So right now we are 20 minus, no worried about it. So because we have taken a live trade, then definitely when you are taking the live trade, it can take some time to prove yourself that you have taken the right decision. Okay. So we will wait for the market a little bit more. Once it will be back into our ranges, then we will be out of our trade. So right now on the 5 minute, you can see slightly it's making the pin, the bearish pin. So don't worry about it. So basically the trend is bullish. So the time is never sure while you are taking the trade. It can take 10 minutes, it can take 15 minutes as well, and sometimes to be very lucky you will be out of the trade within just couple of minutes as well. So it's basically it's a time game. So right now you can see the market is a bit slow on the 1 minute as well, so we need to wait here, and we will close our trade once we will be into the good profits. So zooming more. Okay, now you can see we are some here like 60-64 minus, no worries. We are just relaxed, don't worry about it. Even the 1 minute signal is going into the buy, and even if we go to the 5 minute signal as well, we have the last buy signal, and we are definitely following our trend. We are not going anything against the trend, so it's just a matter of a time game. Okay, so that's something like 60, 69, 72. Okay, no problem, we will get a reverse from that level. Okay, okay, the market starts to pump little bit up. Let's see how well it maintains the pressure. So overall the market is a bit slow at the moment, so it can take some sort of time. So let's wait and wait for the reversal. Okay, one more thing I have realized, that some traders just trigger the trade and they think that the trade should definitely go into their way. But what happens actually, like I have taken the live trade, the trade first goes negative. So this is the normal thing. So guys, if you just want that when you have triggered the trade, it immediately goes into profit, this is not the wise way. Okay, now you can see that from where, from $70 we are back to 27, 20, something like this. So this is how market flow into the it's genuine, this is the ranging genuine pattern of the market. Okay, so you can see the candle is pumping somehow up, and let's wait for the next candle, what is going to happen with the next candle. So if the next candle goes bullish, then definitely we will be getting a profit as well. Okay, the next candle has started. Okay, now you can see it's also started with a bullish pressure. We are just $4 positive, 3 minus 5, no problem. So this is the psychology of the trading, that never think that you have taken a trade and immediately it should go into your direction. This will be wrong. Now we are getting $2 from the trade, no problem, because we are not going to take a very small profit. So definitely we will be looking for something really good. Okay, 25, 26, 40, and now look at there. Okay, now look at this thing, guys. 1 minute pumped up as well, and on the 5 minute, look at the candle shape. The 5 minute candle is pumping up. It means that we have taken a wise trade. 56, 58, and what do you think? 61, 62, and I'm done. Okay, so I have caught $63 by taking a live trade in front of your eyes, and that was very simple. So this is the scalping. Okay, now on the 1 minute you can see the market is flowing up. It can go further upside. I'm not saying that was a gold 5 minute chart. It can go further high as well, but overall always keep this thing in your mind, that the reasonable profit is always should be your take profit. Okay, so this is the quick scalping I have done with the indicators. Okay, moreover, if I take you to the 1 hour chart, if you look at here, we are going into the buy signal. The market is pumping up. The previous long ride was sell, and this indicator does not repaint. Okay, so guys, if you want to get this indicator, if you want to book your coaching sessions with me to learn the price action, to learn the methods that how I prepare the signals report, for all this you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram. The links are provided into the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video.